I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects.
All right. What do you got, Professor Science? At the basis, this is a bathroom reno. We need it to look better. We need it to function a little bit better. Let's talk about what we don't like about that bathroom. And for me, it's like everything.
Just liberating a few rocks from the bank here. Take these in and see if we can put them in our bathroom. Get a little bit of moss, a couple branches. Whoa. There's this giant tree stump here, and just looking at it, I thought maybe we could somehow turn it into our toilet. There's also some pretty cool bark, so I'm gonna clean the bark up a little bit. It's kind of infested with ants at the moment, but it's a beautiful day, and I'm away from Kevin.
I think I just cleared 50 years of crust off the front of that toilet.
Dude, get away from me with that.
This week, we began with a cramped and dingy space and created an open and clean bathroom inspired by nature. We repurposed slabs of lumber for the light fixtures, as well as wrapping them around the support stud. In addition, we created a flume sink faucet with copper pipe and made a rock sink basin. We installed LED lights underneath the lath to create an illusion of filtered sunlight. And finally, we used Kevin's photo of the woods to create a sense of depth on the walls, as well as using a rock base for the toilet.